I am Salma Hage. These are recipes from my cookbook, Lebanese Kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to cook chicken and rice. My mom also used to cook chicken and rice. Mostly was on a Sunday. Put the chicken, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, some cloves, chop 1 onions, put it along with the chicken, cover it with water, some salt, bring it up to boil and simmer till the chicken nice and soft and cooked. Wash the chicken, put it in cold water. Chop the chicken. Don't throw stock away. Use the stock to cook the rice and the chicken together. You fry the cashew nuts till golden color. You sprinkle the cashew nuts on the top. You will rinse the rice with cold water. Then fry in vermicelli and a bit of oil. Add your rice in, season it up with 7 spices, salt, black pepper. Put your chicken into the vermicelli. Pour the stock of the chicken into the rice. For each cup of rice, you add 2 cups of stock. And then cook until the liquid is absorbed. That's how you cook chicken and rice. I hope you will enjoy it. Bon appetit, but in Arabic we say sahtain.